It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this 5-day national level online faculty development program on applications of machine learning on behalf of Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram, from 15th to 19th June 2021. I hope all the dignitaries, guests, and participants join the session. And please disable your cameras during the session, please. Please disable your cameras. In this colorful inaugural session, I cordially welcome Dr. P. Kiran Shri, Convener, Head of the Department, CSC, Dr. P. Srinivas Raju Garu, Vice Principal, SVCW, Dr. G. Srinivas Rao Garu, Principal, SVCW, Chief Guest, Dr. Mashael Suliaman Maashi from King Saud University, Guest of Honor, Dr. Ahmed J. Obaid, University of Kufa, Iraq. Thank you very much for attending the inaugural of National Level Online Faculty Development Program on Applications of Machine Learning. We are very grateful to many experts who have come to share their knowledge in this FDP on applications of machine learning. Now, let us start the inaugural session with the grand outreach of the college with a video.
Shri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, which was established in the year 2001 by the prominent industrialist and social entrepreneur Dr. B.V. Rajugaru, with a noble aim of providing quality education to the women in order to transform them into dynamic citizens of the country. His dream is being taken ahead by the present chairman of Sri Vishnu Educational Society, Sri K.V. Vishnu Rajugaru, who is relentlessly striving ahead in the pursuit of excellence, following the footsteps of his grandfather, Dr. B.V. Rajugaru. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women is the place where students not only grow academically, but the all-round development of the student is a major focus area. Students from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women not only excel in their professional life, but also in each and every aspect of their life. Prominent celebrations such as International Day of Yoga, International Day of Persons with Disabilities, etc. are celebrated in a grand manner in order to create enthusiasm among students. Vishnotsav, the graduation day, was celebrated where the outgoing students were presented with their degrees, after which they were about to kick off the much-awaited journey of their lifetime. Many prominent personalities visited the campus and ignited the young minds with their profound knowledge, such as Mr. Kamal Bali, CEO of Volvo India, Ms. Nandini Sarkar, Global Equity, Diversity and Inclusion Leader at Boeing India, etc. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women is a place where students' dreams are nurtured and given shape by providing various platforms like Meda Milan, the annual National Symposium for Women, ISTE Day, Toastmasters Club, etc. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women always believes in enhancing the intellectual capabilities of both students and the faculty by organizing various trainings, seminars, etc., through which they can enhance their skills respectively. The students of Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women had excelled academically and carved a niche for themselves in the area of placements. And we are proud to share with you that Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women stands forefront with highest number of placements, 780 and counting till date. By associating with many prominent companies such as Flipkart with a package of 23 lakhs, Amazon with a package of 30 lakhs, Adobe with a package of 43 lakhs, Expedia with a package of 14 lakhs, and we are happy to share that about 100 plus students are in the package of above 6 lakhs per annum. In order to equip the students with physical and mental fitness, we give utmost importance to sports. And we are proud to declare that our women students are selected into the university team of JNTU Kakinada in the discipline of cricket and volleyball. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women has a dedicated psychology department which caters to the mental needs of students and makes them mentally sound by organizing various programs. We are also very proud to host the prestigious Vikram Sarabhai Centenary Program in association with Shar Sri Harikota at Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. The students of Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women had excelled in the competitions held at national level and made us proud at the national arena in the events such as Baha, Hero Campus Challenge, Thermax Storm, Toastmaster Club, etc. Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women always believes in exploring the skills of students. We had introduced Vishnu School of Music, Vishnu Podcast, etc., through which students can get a sigh of relief and also excel intellectually. We at Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women are always committed to nurture and develop our students into highly dynamic, competitive, humanitarian, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. And with the divine blessings of our founder chairman and valuable guidance of our chairman, we will leave no stone unturned in realizing that dream.
Now, let us all pay tributes to the Almighty with a prayer song by Ms. Shri Shivansi.
शरणु शरणु सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत शरणु श्री सती वल्लभ शरणु शरणु सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत शरणु श्री सती वल्लभ शरणु राक्षस गर्भ संहर शरणु वेंकटनायक కమలధరుడును కమల మిత్రుడు కమల శత్రుడు పుత్రుడు క్రమముతో మీ కొలువుకిప్పుడు కాచినారెచ్చరికయా అని నిషేంద్రులు మునులు దిక్పతుల మరకిన్నెర సిద్ధులు ఘనతతో రంభాది కాంతలు కాచినారెచ్చరికయా శరణు శరణు సురేంద్ర సన్నుత శరణు శ్రీ సతి వల్లభ శరణు శ్రీ సతి వల్లభ శరణు శ్రీ సతి వల్లభ.
Thank you, Ms. Shriyukta. Now I request the convener of the Faculty Development Program, Dr. P. Kiranshri, to give his welcome address and a brief note on National Level Online Faculty Development Program on applications of machine learning.
Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respected Principal Dr. G. Srinivas Rao garu, our Vice Principal Dr. P. Srinivas Raju garu, the Chief Guest of the function, Dr. Mashael Suliaman Maashi. She is from King Saudi University, Saudi Arabia. Guest of honor, Dr. Ahmed J. Obaid from Kufa University, Kuwait. And deans, head of the departments, participants from various
पप्पा तुमच्या नावापुढे मिस्टर करू का प्रोफेसर करू? हा सॅल्युटेशन काय वापरायचं?
participants from various parts of the country and my dear faculty members, very good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and our institute, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh, I welcome you all for this 5-day national level online faculty development program on applications of machine learning from 15th to 19th of June 2025. Ours is an autonomous institute accredited by NAC with A grade. Major departments are accredited by NBA in Tier 1, and every department has its own research centers. And our institute is permanently affiliated to JNT Kakinada, offering 8 easy programs and 5 easy programs. The Department of Computer Science Engineering offers a UG program, that is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and offers 2 PG programs, that is MTech with specialization in software engineering and computer science and engineering. We have a research center recognized by JNT University with research scholars pursuing PhD in the department. The Department of CSE is organizing various conferences, faculty development programs, webinars for the last 1 year for the benefit of faculty members. We have organized an international conference on deep learning in this January, and we have organized an AICT Atal sponsored faculty development program on recent advances in artificial intelligence in the month of February. And we have organized a webinar which was hands-on by title How to Start and Complete a Data Science Project in March. Coming to this faculty development program, the timing of this faculty development program is apt as Gartner has recently released the top 10 promising technologies that can disrupt the world. Artificial intelligence and machine learning was listed in this. The overall objective of the faculty development program is to promote interdisciplinary research in the areas of machine learning with an emphasis on solving real-time problems which has some societal significance using the latest technologies of machine learning. So the 5-day faculty development program provides the basics of machine learning and gives an insight on how machine learning can be applied on various interdisciplinary domains, thus creating some research ambience towards machine learning. So we have overwhelming response, receiving more than 2,221 registrations from various states, out of which 950 are shortlisted. In this 950, we have representations from all the states of India, that is 28 states and 2 union territories of India. And we also have 14 international participants who are part of this activity. These 950 participants we have selected are representing 209 institutions. Yet it's all privilege. And hope you will have a good learning experience and the objective of the faculty development is fulfilled. I thank our principal and vice principal for permitting us to organize this event in the department. I particularly thank Dr. Mashael, Suliaman, Maashi for accepting our invitation to be here for this inaugural function. And also I thank Dr. Ahmed Obaid for accepting our invitation. I also thank the participants and faculty members of CSE for their efforts in organizing this faculty development program, marching towards a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I feel delighted to invite the chief guest of today's FDP, Dr. Mashael Suliaman Maashi from King Saud University, to address the gathering.
Hello, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Hello. First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for having me, and thank you for great invitation. I'm happy to join us in this faculty development program, and hopefully, inshallah, I can provide you all my experience, and we get benefit from this program at the end. I would like.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Madam, you are on mute, it seems to be. Please unmute yourself.
Hello. Yeah. Okay. So as we know, the machine learning is incredible breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. While it does have some frightening implementation when we think about it, this machine learning application has a server in many ways in technology can improve our lives. It's a bit difficult to narrow down one specific definition of machine learning because you will get a different explanation depending on who asks. Regardless of definition of the machine learning, we have a general definition about the machine learning is the study of computer algorithm that improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. As was, we can see the machine learning as a part of artificial intelligence. So machine learning built a model based on the simple data, as we know in the training data, in order to make prediction or decision without being explicitly programming and pseudo. Machine learning algorithm also used in wide variety of application, such as in medication, chemistry, email filtering, industry, business, computer vision, and etc. As we move forward in the digital age, one of the modern innovations we have seen in the creation is the machine learning. In the recent days, the availability of large data combined with improvement of an algorithm and the exponential growth in the computing power lead us to the entrance of the topic of machine learning. Nowadays, machine learning algorithms are successfully employed for classification, regression, clustering, or dimensionally reduction tasks of large set of especially high dimensional input data. In fact, machine learning has proved to have a superhuman ability in a numerous fields, such as playing Go, self-driving car, image classification, and etc. As a result, a huge part of our daily life, for example, image and speaker recognition, web search, threat detection, email and sub-filtering, credit source, and many more are powered by machine learning algorithms. Regardless of definition of machine learning, is the most basic level. The goal of machine learning is to adapt the new data independently and make decision and recommendation based on thousands of calculation and analysis. It's done by an artificial intelligence machine or deep learning business application from data that you are fed. Machine learning model learn, identify, pattern, and make decision with minimum interference from human. Ideally, machine increase accuracy and efficiency and remove and reduce possibility of human error. The near limitless quantity of available data, available data storage, and growth of less expensive and more powerful processing has a growth of machine learning. Now, many industries are developing more robust machine learning model capable of analyzing bigger and more complex data while delivering faster, more accurate, and fast skills. Machine learning tools enable organizations to more quickly identify profitable opportunity and potential risk. The practical application of machine learning drive business result, which can dramatically affect company bottom line. New technology in the field are evolving rapidly and expand the application of machine learning in nearly limitless possibility. Industries that depend on the vast quantity of data and need a system to analyze it efficiently and accurately. Machine learning are the best way to build a model, strategy, and plan. Machine learning is a base word of today's technology and is growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Map, Google Assist, Alexa, driving a car automatically, Netflix, Amazon, Yahoo, Facebook, all this a real world application using machine learning algorithm. We'll talk in details later on, inshallah, about the machine learning application and her impact. This is, thank you very much.
Thank you, Vishnu.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for sharing your profound knowledge with us.
You're welcome.
Now I request the guest of honor of today's program, Dr. Ahmed J. Obaid, University of Kufa, Iraq, to illuminate the gathering.
Madam, Mr. Obaid is taking a session in the evening. He said he will be joining within 10 minutes, so just we'll go ahead with this inaugural session. Go to the next.
Okay. So now that the inaugural session has come to an end, I request the coordinator, Mr. P. Sunil, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, one and all. Honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special day. Today, we have hosted the national level online FDP on applications of machine learning with the delegates participating from academia and industry across the world. On behalf of our FDP organizing team, I convey my regards and a hearty thanks to our SVES management. I thank Dr. G. Srinivasarao Garu, Dr. P. Srinivasarao Garu, Principal, Vice Principal, SVCW, and I thank Chief Guest Dr. Mashael Suliaman Maashi, King Saud University. I thank Convener Dr. P. Kiran Garu, Professor and Head of the Department CSE, Shri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. I also like to thank all the honorable delegates and participants who blessed us with their presence. I wish all the participants a great learning. Thank you, madam. Madhavi madam, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all the participants, please enable your cameras and join us for a quick photo session. All of you, please enable your cameras for a quick photo session. Participants, please enable your cameras for a few seconds. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. With this, we mark the end of inaugural session. And we will start the first session immediately. And all the participants, we have posted the attendance link. We'll post the attendance link in the chat box. So please fill the form for attendance. Please check the chat box for attendance link. So we'll start the first session immediately. Sunil sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you, madam. Now, I request Dr. Mashael Suliaman Maashi, King Saud University, who had already worked with machine learning and published several papers, and she has a vast knowledge in machine learning and applications. So, madam, I request you to enlighten us by giving an overview of machine learning and its applications so that our participants and we enlightened with the knowledge. So, over to you, madam.
Okay. Can I share my slide?
Yes,
Please go
ma'am.
ahead.
Sudhir sir.
Hello?
Sir, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. I'm just